Are you frustrated with FPS drops and stuttering in Fortnite? These lag issues can really mess up your game. In this video, I'll show you easy ways to fix these problems, improve your system's performance, and make Fortnite run smoother. Whether you're playing on a low-end PC or just want better gameplay, these simple tips will help you enjoy a lag-free experience. So if you are new here, hit the like button and make sure to subscribe. Let's dive in. The first thing we're going to do is turn off any unnecessary services in Windows to boost its performance. Start by heading to your Start menu, then right-click on it and select Run from the menu. In the Run dialog box, type msconfig and hit Enter or click OK. This will bring up the Microsoft System Configuration window. Once you're there, switch to the Services tab. Before making any changes, it's crucial to check the box labeled Hide All Microsoft Services. This ensures you won't accidentally disable any critical Microsoft services that keep your system running smoothly. Even after hiding those, you'll still see some services from hardware manufacturers like Intel, AMD, or NVIDIA. It's generally not a good idea to disable these unless you fully understand what they do. Skipping this step or disabling the wrong services could potentially damage your system, so be cautious and double-check before proceeding. Now, carefully scan the list for any services tied to applications or programs you've installed but rarely use. When you find one you don't need, uncheck it. Keep doing this until you've disabled every service linked to apps or programs you no longer use or need. After finishing, click the Apply button, then choose OK to close the system configuration window. If prompted to restart your computer, you can select Exit without restart for now. Don't worry, those changes will take effect the next time you reboot your system. In the next step, we will optimize our drives and boost both their performance and our system's responsiveness. While some people believe that optimizing an SSD can harm its lifespan, this isn't true when done correctly. First, head to your Start menu and type defrag into the search bar. Select the defragment and optimize drives option from the results. This will open a window showing all the drives connected to your system. Next, pick the drive you'd like to check, whether it's an SSD or a hard drive, and click on the Analyze button. This step scans the drive to determine whether it requires optimization. If you're working with a hard drive, it will reveal how fragmented the files are, while for an SSD, it assesses whether optimization is needed. Once the analysis is complete and the drive is flagged for optimization, select it and click the Optimize button. For SSDs, the process is usually completed almost instantly. Hard drives, on the other hand, may take more time depending on their size, the amount of data stored, and the level of fragmentation. It's a good practice to perform this process on any drive that shows the need for optimization, regardless of how long it takes. You can even close the window after starting. The optimization process will continue running in the background without interrupting your workflow. Now guys, download this performance boost pack on your PC. You can simply download this pack from my website, link is in description. To reduce the load on your system, disabling unnecessary services is a key step. You can do this by running a script with administrator privileges. Once executed, the script will prompt you to confirm if you'd like to apply performance improvements. After you click Yes, it will proceed to disable unnecessary services. The whole process takes only a few moments, and you'll be notified when it's done. If you ever wish to re-enable any of the services later, simply select option 2, press Enter, and the services will be restored. Next, let's tweak the registry to improve system performance by reducing unnecessary visual effects. This tweak will disable various visual elements in Windows, freeing up resources to improve overall performance rather than focusing on aesthetics. To apply it, double-click the registry entry, confirm the modification, and click Yes. Once completed, the changes will automatically be applied. Moving on, we'll enable Ultimate Performance Mode, a setting that's often overlooked by many users. If you're using a mid-range PC, you'll likely have the high performance plan. But for more powerful systems, activating Ultimate Performance Mode can bring noticeable improvements in gaming and system responsiveness. It enhances CPU and GPU performance, which results in better FPS. Run it with administrator rights and it will unlock the Ultimate Performance plan. Afterward, head to your power options and select Ultimate Performance to finish setting it up. Finally, to further enhance system performance, especially by reducing GPU latency, you can use the MSI mode utility This tool optimizes communication between your GPU and CPU. Run the utility as administrator, then select your primary GPU. Ensure MSI mode is enabled as it improves the data exchange speed between the GPU and CPU. While you can adjust the interrupt priority, keeping it on normal is recommended for optimal latency. Once set, click Apply and your system will be optimized. These adjustments are one-time changes, so you shouldn't need to repeat them unless a Windows update resets some settings. After completing these steps, your system will be running faster and more efficiently. To get started with Gear Up Booster, download the tool from the official website using the link after downloading. Install it on your PC. Once installed, you'll see the Gear Up Booster interface. The first thing you'll need to do is log in with your Facebook or Google account. On the Home tab, you'll find all the games installed on your PC. If you go to the Games tab, you can browse thousands of games available for optimization. To optimize your network and FPS, return to the Home tab and select the game you want to boost. For example, I'll select Fortnite. Click the Boost button, and the tool will begin optimizing the game. It will automatically find the best server for you. Next, you'll need to choose your server region. Select the nearest server for the best connection. In my case, the middle server works best. After selecting the server, close the window. Now go to the Not tab where you'll see a list of servers available in the Middle East. Choose the nearest one or let Gear Up automatically pick the best server for you. I recommend setting it to Automatic for the best results. Finally, close the window and launch your game using Gear Up Booster. The next thing we'll do is turn off unnecessary animations. Windows uses animations for smooth transitions between tasks, but these can consume valuable system resources. To disable them, search for Animations in the Windows search bar and select the Show Animations in Windows setting. Turning this off removes extra graphical processing and helps make your system faster. Next, we'll simplify and personalize Windows to enhance performance. This involves turning off settings that prioritize style over speed. In the Simplify and Personalize Windows section, disable Show Animations in Windows and Show Transparency in Windows. Turning off transparency effects reduces GPU load, allowing your system to run faster, especially during multitasking or gaming. Now let's take a look at managing background apps, which is a crucial step in freeing up system resources. Many apps continue to run in the background, using up CPU power and RAM, even when you're not actively using them. This can slow down your system and prevent other applications from using the resources they need. To manage background apps, search for background apps in the Windows search bar and select the corresponding option in the settings. In this menu, you'll see a list of apps that are allowed to run in the background. Disable any apps that you don't need running constantly, such as the calculator, OneDrive, or any other non-essential applications. By turning off these apps, you can ensure that only the programs you actively use are consuming your system's resources, which will improve overall performance and system responsiveness. Another important step is disabling delivery optimization, which can help save both bandwidth and system resources. Delivery optimization allows your system to share update files with other devices on the same network, but if you're not part of a network where this is beneficial, it can use unnecessary bandwidth and storage space. To disable delivery optimization, search for Delivery Optimization in the search bar, open the settings, and turn off the option that says Allow downloads from other PCs. This ensures that your system's internet connection and storage are only used for downloading and managing updates for your own device, which can lead to a noticeable improvement in your system's performance. So, guys, that was today's video. Hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe.